You'll walk away from this video knowing exactly how I upload content so consistently. I've uploaded over 1,000 videos on TikTok, and now I started a challenge on YouTube where I wanted to upload one video every single day for 30 days. We're at about day 24 now, and my entire channel has changed. I'm now at over 2,000 subscribers. You probably feel like you struggle to post daily. You're not sure how these content creators out there are uploading videos every single day, and you're wondering, what tools do they use? What resources do they use? And you can spend the next 5 years trying to figure that out. I know it took me a long time to figure out how to create content at scale, how to post hundreds of videos, and now that I know, I just wish it was packaged in one video. So that's why I'm making this video. You will walk away from this video knowing how I have unshakable consistency with content posting. And I actually took a bunch of notes here, writing down exactly how I do it. So I'm gonna read through these today for you. I wanna get you to a place where you feel like, wow, I have 30 videos drafted, scheduled, ready to go. That way you can travel. How cool is it that you could be in the airport, you log into your laptop and you're like, oh my goodness, wow, I have 30 YouTube videos scheduled, or I have 30 TikToks, in my draft folder ready to get posted. That is the best feeling, when you have your content pre-scheduled and ready to go. That way you can make money while you travel. I'm gonna jump right in. So the first thing we're going into, make a vision board, write down your why. So, and don't click off because I know that sounds so vague, but it's not. You are not going to post content daily unless you have a strong why. For example, if I came to you and I told you that your family's safety depended on the fact that you uploaded content every day, you would make it happen. You would figure out what tools you need, you would figure out the resources you need, and you would upload a video every single day. In the exact same way, if I told you you needed to make $500,000 next year, or your family's safety is on the line, you would find a way. So you already know how to do it. You know that you could look it up on YouTube how to do it. You know that you could, read a Wikipedia article to make it happen, but you just don't have a strong enough why. And that's why you're not posting every day, because you honestly don't care. You don't think it's important. So I want you to get crystal clear on why it's important to you. So for me, I make a whole vision board and I wrote down the delusional goal of I'm gonna grow 100,000 subscribers in the next year. And if it takes longer than a year, no worries, but I've set this goal and I'm working every day towards it. And I got crystal clear on that why. And now that I have this aspirational goal, I'm excited to film content every single day because I know I'm working towards that goal. Versus if you're watching this and you're like, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel. Why? Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? I want to gain subscribers. Why do you want to gain subscribers? For the credibility. Okay, why do you want credibility? So I can feel more confident in my business. Why do you want to feel more confident in your business? I want to feel more confident in my business because then I'll approach my relationships different. Like, you want to look at what is your reason for uploading daily and go deep on that, and then throw that on a photo on a vision board. I'll link in the description a video on how I created my vision board because it's super specific, like my process there. So that's step one. Get a vision board, write down your why, because when you have a strong enough why, that's gonna enable you to post consistently. That's how I grew an audience of over 25,000 on TikTok. I had a strong why. I needed to make enough money to, prove that I didn't need a college degree. And I did that for myself, but also I felt like I want to prove to people that I can be successful without a degree. So I had a very strong why there, and I knew that if I didn't make it happen, I wouldn't be able to move out, and if I wasn't able to move out, I didn't want to end up in my parents' basement. Like, my parents have an upstairs bedroom, so I would have ended up in an upstairs bedroom, but it's really about getting your why front and center. The second thing you want to look at is having the right tools. So you don't need anything fancy. I'm recording this video with one ring light, and it's the Alex Earl light. It's linked in my Amazon below, and a tripod. So that tripod, you can get a tripod on Amazon. I would recommend getting a camera tripod, not a phone tripod, because phone tripods break. That's the mistake I made when I first started. So that's gonna be the right tools, and then the right websites and resources you're gonna need is, honestly, you just need your phone. Let's be real. You just need your phone. I uploaded my first however many videos with nothing but a phone. That's all you need. But if you wanna get fancy, for growing YouTube, I would recommend vidIQ. So that's like in-depth YouTube analytics. There's a free version and a paid version. I used the free version for a while. It's amazing. You can upload tags. It gives AI title recommendations. That tech tool is like amazing for helping you grow your channel. And then some of the other tools you'll need for YouTube honestly, I would just start with that. I would start with your phone, a ring light, a tripod, and vidIQ for the analytics. And then when you want to get more complicated, you can get into music. I get all my copyright-free music from Epidemic Sounds. I'll also link that below for you guys, that way you have it. But that's the tools you need to start for your YouTube channel. It's really simple. Step 3, we're going rapid fire through this, I'm really excited, is set one objective for growth. And if you want to grow on YouTube or TikTok, in the case of this video, I'm talking more about YouTube, set one clear objective and write it down crystal clear. So for me, that's 100,000 subscribers. And I know that in order to get there, I'm gonna have to upload a lot of content because let's be real, I'm not very good at video editing, so I don't have the cutting edge advantage of like viewer retention there. So I either have to share insanely valuable tips or come across really enthusiastically or have a good personality. I need to work on those things to become the type of person that's worthy of 100,000 followers. And those 100,000 people, honestly, my goal is just to help more people build their business online. So it's like, even if I only get 10 followers, that's worth it because I'm helping 10 people grow their business. So I set that crystal clear goal, and I know that with that crystal clear objective, in order to make that happen, I need to post consistently. So once again, it cements the fact in my mind that I need to post content daily. So set that clear objective of exactly where you want to get to, because if you don't know where you want to get to, you're never going to end up there. You can't get in the car and expect to end up in Hawaii unless you write down the fact that you want to get to Hawaii. And honestly, if you're in a car, you're probably not going to get to Hawaii unless you're already living in Hawaii, considering it's an island. Besides the point. So set a clear objective and then write down your action items for how to get to that objective. So for me, that's uploading daily for 30 days. I'm going to upload every day for 30 days, and then at the end of 30 days, I'll probably take a breath because honestly, it's been a lot of work uploading every day. And then I will write down new action items, and I just write down the action items with the goal of 100,000 in mind. If your goal is 100 subscribers, maybe you only have to upload once a month in order to do that in a year. But setting those clear goals and objectives and action items is really helpful. Going into step 4, make a checklist you visibly have to look at. So what I do is on my fridge and also in my living room, actually let's take a quick adventure here. I'm gonna pull you guys off the tripod. In my kitchen, I have a calendar on my fridge that shows upload one YouTube video every single day. I haven't checked this off and updated it, so it's probably not accurate right now, but that way I have that every single time I get food out of my fridge. I have to look at the fact that I have to upload a YouTube video. And if I don't upload a YouTube video, I feel like, oh geez, I have to visibly see it. It's really easy to not do a goal if you don't have to look at it, but if you have to look at it, you're gonna do it. This is also my goal planning board for 2024, so I'm working on writing down my goals there now, but then I have to visibly see all the goals, and in order to make them happen, I need to do them daily. So make it uncomfortable if you're not uploading daily because you visibly have to see the fact that you're not achieving your goals. Let me set you guys back up here. Okay, so making a checklist that you have to look at is another way I upload so consistently, and I keep uploading every single day because what's more painful than recording a video for 10 minutes or 20 minutes is waking up in the morning and having to get my food out of the fridge and looking at the fact that I didn't color in that box. But if there wasn't a box there, it would be super easy for me to wake up, make a bowl of cereal, and not care about the fact that I didn't upload. Step 5 is basically a quote. Messy action is better than perfect planning. I don't care if your videos aren't perfectly edited. I don't care if you have the finances to hire an editor or not. I'm editing this video by myself. All you need is a phone and an internet connection, and that's it. I would much rather have you upload 100 messy videos than one video that's perfect. And a lot of times the clients I work with, they're like, oh, I need this to be successful. You don't need anything, you just need action. And with time, your quality will increase. A year ago, I wouldn't be able to confidently record a video like this, just uninterrupted in chat for however many minutes this is gonna be. But now I'm good at that. Yes, I could get better, but it's like, because I took messy action, I slowly got better. Instead of thinking, oh, I need to start perfect, you're never gonna get perfect unless you put in the reps. It's like working out. You can't expect the perfect body unless you put in messy reps. and unless you keep pushing till failure. I push myself till failure in content creation essentially if I set goals that are pretty hard, like uploading a long form edited YouTube video every day for 30 days. So that's the messy action quote essentially. Using these strategies, I was able to grow my TikTok audience to 25K, and now I'm shooting to grow a YouTube audience of 100,000, and that's gonna change my life, I know. I want this to serve as motivation for you that you can do it too. There's no secret strategy you need. There's nothing complicated. The only thing you need to do is take out your phone, put it on a tripod, hit record, and then upload that to YouTube. You've got this, and I'm excited to see you grow.